Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we are going to make a simmer pot. Simple and easy, so let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need, and you can make these as for gifts or you can just keep this for yourself. I'm going to show you first how to make it as a gift. Go ahead and put your bag down that you're going to put the ingredients in. I like those almond bags that are triangles. And we're going to measure out our cloves. You're going to use whole cloves. So go ahead and put those down in first because those are the smallest and those will fit down in there nicely. You might need to give it a little tap to let it get in there. And then from there, we're going to also need to add in whole anise. And just measure that out and drop it in. Next, we're going to add in cinnamon sticks. Do 1 or 2. And then add in your cranberries. I add in about a cup for the size bag I have, and then an orange, and then tie it off. And you're going to want to prepare these right before you're going to give them out, and wrap that with some ribbon that's decorative for the holiday or the occasion. These are great to have around for the holidays when you have friends coming over and visiting. If you have these on hand, someone drops off a gift to you, you'll have one on hand just to hand to them. And all you need to do is tell them to put it in a pot, cover it with water, and let it simmer, and it will make their house smell amazing. Or you can keep these for yourself, and I will show you how to do that next. Right now, we're just trying to make the ribbon look kind of pretty, giving a little curly cue on the end. And we are ready to make our own. With those few ingredients, we're done. Oh, yeah, I lied. We need to put the rosemary in. So let's go ahead and grab a sprig of that, and you can put that in as well. That'll give a nice smell to the mix. And if you don't have rosemary, that's okay. So when you're ready to use this, all you're going to need to do is get a pot and some water and untie it. Take the orange, and we're going to want to slice the orange thinly. Thin slices for the orange will be perfect. You could even slice them thinner if you wanted, but this works fine. And once they're sliced, you can go ahead and put those in the pan and add the rest of the ingredients. If you haven't already, go ahead and add the water. The water is in here already. And we've added the ingredients, and now we can put it on the stove on simmer, and just once that comes up to a boil or gets hot, the most amazing aroma. And just turn that down low. If you need to, you can add in more water throughout the day. If I want to use this a second day, I will go ahead and replace the orange and put a new one in. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite scent is for simmer pots.